I am headed to pick up my sisters for the first time as they come into the United States from Afghanistan. They've been flying for the past 20 some odd hours. So, wish me luck. My half-sisters were born in 1997 and 2001. They're both in school. This was during when the United States was in Afghanistan. Before, girls were in the same classes as boys. They could wear pants, jeans, wear a sweatshirt or a hoodie. And then worst case scenario happened, which was United States pull out, Taliban take over. Their life changed completely.
Thanks to our military and the brave fighters of Afghanistan, the Taliban regime is coming to an end.
I was born on March 1st, 1992. I don't have much recollection of what was happening within the country. I only have memories of what was happening in my life at that time. We were living with our grandparents. I heard a bomb go off, and the only memory I have is my father picking me up and just running towards the alley or courtyard. I was really scared, so I was just like holding on to him really tight. My father and mother had to make a decision. Are they gonna stay in that country or are they gonna move? People were being killed left and right. We packed everything we had and took off, and we started our trip towards Pakistan. 1995 was when we took refugee status. I have vivid flashbacks. My mother hiding all the money under her clothes. She was pregnant during this journey, but she hadn't told anybody. She was taken to the hospital. 1 day passed by, 2 days passed by, no return. Mother never came back. We never saw her again. It was a new normal, and you just had to survive. My father was working as a security guard in a hospital, same hospital that my birth mother passed away in. He was the gatekeeper. My father wasn't home. He was scared because we were being raised by neighbors. There came a time where he told us that you get to go to America. Your great aunt is going to take care of you. The sentence she always says to me was, I know you're not born of me, but you were born in my heart. And I knew I had to adopt you and your sister because there's no future for women in Afghanistan. We said goodbye to my family, my father. I was crying my heart out. So we came in to United States on July 12, 2000. My mom, I call my American mom adoptive mom. Dad, adoptive dad. The first time we came to the airport, my mom and dad picked us up. They brought teddy bears, they brought toys. Seeing my mom in pants sit in the driver's seat and drive a car, that is a definition of what an American girl was in my head. And I wanted to be an American girl. Till this day, I get excited when I roll down those windows. I'm like, oh my God, it's happening. My mom and dad was providing us the best life, raising kids for the first time.
It's 9:05 and we are covering for you a couple of explosions. Planes have crashed into each of the towers of the World Trade Center just within the last few minutes.
And when 9/11 happened, after that day, I never ever told anybody I was from Afghanistan. I was too scared, and I didn't want students and people to bother me or hurt me. At this point, I'm starting to assimilate. We got a letter from my father. He had let us know that they're moving back to Afghanistan. They were a family of 5, living in one room, no electricity, no water. So while I was going through my ups and downs, assimilating, they were going through own difficulties of living in extreme poverty. Life went on, birthdays happened. And when senior year came, I pulled a Houdini on my mom. Surprise, I'm going to art school. I bought a one-way ticket, I said my goodbyes, and I left. And I started at SCAD. College was the first time I was like, I am free. It was the best 4 years of my life was doing SCAD. Learned a lot, worked hard too. Everybody becomes a family. I think it was then that I realized like the power of community and people that really care about you. My dad passed away on my junior year of SCAD. He was my best friend growing up, so it was the hardest time of my life. I took a year off SCAD. I came back to finish my senior thesis, and originally my headspace was to do repurposed knitwear. When he passed away, I came back, I was like, no, there's something bigger here. My whole senior collection was inspired by my roots and textiles. Everything, day in, day out. I took an Afghani menswear pant and I redraped it, redesigned it, refit it, and put it onto a woman. And the inspiration was from day one when my mom came to pick me up. And that was the day I knew what it meant to be a woman in America, the power of being a woman. The universe will open paths for you that never thought possible. After college, I started getting in touch with my sisters. We had talked about for years, we should get you guys out one day. And then worst case scenario happened. United States pull out, Taliban take over. The Taliban were going all around Afghanistan. The first phase was taking away things from women. And the second phase, women cannot go to school. The third phase, you have to dress in all black, burqa, head to toe, nothing showing, only your eyes. That's called extremism. That's not Islam. The minute that happened, that was, for us, that was like, this is it. You cannot live in that type of circumstances anymore. I think everything came out on Project Runway. For the first time, I opened up about my two sisters on national TV. I said, I have two sisters right now in Afghanistan. This is the dream that I'm here. Only in America, a dream like this can come true. If I could save 2 more lives, then this is the time. I wish somehow SCAD could help them out. So I wrote this letter to President Wallace. I had no expectations whatsoever, but I took a chance. Hello, Mrs. Wallace. As the recent events are unfolding in Afghanistan, my heart breaks for the women and girls who are suffering. I'm reaching out for a girl that currently resides in Afghanistan in hopes of an opportunity for SCAD to support her. She's my younger sister, who I haven't seen since 2000. She responded in 1 hour. A woman, a leader, a president of that caliber, to respond and put time and effort, it's a gift. I asked for one girl. Everything transpired to both of the girls. It was a 2-year mission working with SCAD. The first process was they needed passports. A lot of people were just leaving the country. Through the border of Kandahar to Pakistan, there's thousands of other families that's trying to escape. The Pakistani military is standing at the border, and man, woman, anybody they can find, they're hitting, stoning, everything. They start hitting my father. They said, we're not doing this. We're not putting our life in line. You know how planes were coming in, picking up people and leaving? This was plan B. There's a plane leaving tomorrow at 5 p.m. You guys need to get into that plane. They get to the plane, and as they're about to climb up, they get sent right back home. And at this point, we're like hopeless. And it was quiet for a little moment. During all of this course, we, siblings and I, are going back and forth. It was January 2023. We finally got the news. The girls are flying in. I sent that email to President Wallace that we did it. They flew in for the first time, came here on a full ride scholarship to SCAD. And I asked them, I said, why do you want to go to SCAD? My oldest sister looks at me. This has been my dream. I have so many girls in Kandahar looking up to me. What do you think of your new dorm?
This is my dream house.
When we leave SCAD, the world is so vast. To see that evolution of SCAD being there for you. Once you're a B, you're forever a B. Ultimately, this has made me realize no dream is a big dream. It's only one step away.